In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Adobe Reader cache. First, make sure to close Adobe Reader completely. This ensures that none of the cache files are in use while you attempt to delete them. Once Adobe Reader is closed, open the search box on your Windows system and type Run. Open the Run dialog box and type %temp% into the input field, then press Enter. This will open the temporary files folder where Adobe Reader stores some of its cache files. In the temp folder, look for files with Acrobat or Adobe in their names. Select these files, right-click, and choose Delete. If you want to delete all temporary files, press Ctrl and A to select all files, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. After deleting the temporary files, the next step is to delete the cache files directly from Adobe Reader's installation folder. To do this, open this PC on your computer and go to C drive. Open the Users folder, select your username, and look for the App Data folder. If you don't see the App Data folder, go to the top menu, click on View, and check the Hidden Items option. Once App Data is visible, open it and navigate to the local folder. Inside the local folder, open the Adobe folder, then the Acrobat folder, and finally open the DC folder. Here, you will find the cache folder. Open it, select all the files, right-click, and select Delete. After deleting the cache, restart Adobe Reader. And this is how you can clear Adobe Reader cache.